Hello, good evening, folks. This is another S Group daily review video number 78, I believe I'm at. And yeah, we just got a notification on our earnings today. Look at that, 0.76%. So of the money I've invested in the forex market, I earned $122.45. And if you look at yesterday's guys, 0.65%. I made $104.22. So, combined, guys, I made almost $230 out of just 2 days of just having my money invested in the system. Just all earns on autopilot for me, guys. And of course, I did make some referrals along the way, other earning days as well. But yeah, I'm really excited. $122.45. So I've had my account, I've been running it for the last 8 days. I reset my account 8 days ago, guys. So in 8 days, I've made $603.90, guys, all on autopilot. And that's American funds. So where I'm at here in Canada, that's almost $800 out of 8 days worth of earnings. So, yeah, guys. So what's going to happen is today's Wednesday. So on Friday, I'm going to take whatever this amount is. It'll be 700 plus, maybe somewhere between 750. I'm going to take that and reinvest it back into this $21,001.58 principal that I have going here. And I'm going to let that ride for 2 weeks. And then, yeah, 2 weeks past that, I'll be over 22,000, maybe somewhere around 22.5. And maybe 22.3, somewhere around there. 22.3, 22.4, 2 weeks after that. And yeah, guys, just letting it ride. I'm so very, very close. If I go into, yeah, just scroll up here. I'm so very close to this next tier, which is 25,000. Just think, guys, I reached this tier, 10,000, January of this year. We're now in October, going into November. It'll be November next week. And I'll be at 25,000. So just think like a year from now, guys, when I'm at 50 grand. Hopefully I'll be obviously not working at that point, because if I show you guys the calculator here real quick, this is something that, of course, all the members will get once you guys sign up in the system. I'll send this calculator to you. You just click on the link down below, sign up underneath my referral link, and I'll get you on my team, guys. I'll walk you through everything. But anyways, say for example, if I reach 40 grand, I don't know if you could guys see this, but right here in this field, 40 grand is going to make you $3,200 per month U.S. funds. So up here in Canada, that's like well over 4,000. So, and then of course, once you get down to the 50,000 tier, as you see, the percentage goes from 8.00 to 8.5%. Get around 4,500 on the investment that you have there, guys. So I'm not that far off. I just got to let it ride for a little while, and I'll definitely reach those levels. And of course, like I said, guys, if you keep going, it can get ridiculous. Like once you get to 100,000, you're making about 8,500 a month. You're making like 2 grand USD a week, which is insane. So you can just let this thing grow and grow and grow. So this is just the S Group calculator, guys. Of course, I can include that. When you do sign up, all members get access to that calculator, so it's pretty sweet. But in any event, guys, I just wanted to show you this quick video here in the last minute or so. I like to do these videos 5 minutes. This is S Group. You just invest your money in various areas in the system, whether it be forex, S pharmaceutical, SIPO, liquidity mining. There's more description of each if you check out some of my previous videos. For now, I just have my money invested in the forex market, which you can see is 21,000. That's 21,000 USD. And yeah, I'm just letting it ride, guys, letting it earn money for me on autopilot. So not in the last 30 seconds of this 5-minute video. So guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the subscription button down below. You can be informed of all the updates and new videos that I have coming out. And also my email address is in the description down below as well. And yeah, the sign up link so you can join my team is in the description as well, and I'll walk you through everything. But very important, don't forget to click on that sign up button down below. You can be notified of everything. All right, see you guys in the next video. Thank you.